Hello Chawla Kitchen fam. Today I'm again going to bring you an innovative recipe of air frying the eggs. Yes, it is going to boil the eggs perfectly without water. So all we need is an air fryer which you see in front of you, and then it has to be 270 Fahrenheit, and we have to use it for 15 minutes. So I'll load the eggs and then we'll get started and I'll show you the result. So eggs are in. I'm going to start it, and I'm only going to see it after 15 minutes at 270, and we will have perfect boiled eggs in air fryer without water. How convenient is that? You're not attending to it, you just give it the start and then you come after 15 minutes, your eggs are ready. Clean, easy peasy, no cleanup required. So here they are out of the air fryer. You see a little crack on one of those, but they are perfectly cooked. I'll show you. I'm keeping it on a cooling rack and ran some water on those, and then I'm going to show you how it looks. Come guys, look at this, all perfectly done boiled eggs. I just cut each of the egg in halves. Hope you enjoyed this really innovative, quick and easy recipe. Make sure you like the video and share it with your friends, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.